Hello YouTube and welcome to another Windows tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can change the default location of installed applications in Windows 10. So are you ready? Let's get started. So as you may know, by default all the application getting installed in Drive C of your computer. But if you have actually just a little space in your Drive C or if you want to change this default location, you can use in Windows 10 because Windows 10 has a nice feature that allows you to change this default location. So in this video I'll show you how you can do that. So actually it's pretty easy. All you have to do is to go to your start menu here and then to your Windows settings. Okay, so you get this dialog box here, Windows settings, and in the find setting all I have to do is to type storage. Okay, so I'll choose storage. Okay, and then here we go, I have the storage. So the first option here is local storage, so it gives me all the drives that I have with how many free space I have actually. But the most interesting settings for us is here, change where new content is saved. So I click on this link here and here we go. Now you have the option to change where your apps, documents, music, pictures, video and offline maps are saved by default. So the most interesting option for us is here, new apps will save too. So by default it's on my Drive C, but if I click here I can change whatever drive I want. So for example I can change it to drive E or F and hit the apply button in order to save the settings. Okay, so I can do the same for my documents, my new music and my photos, movies and offline maps. So it's a nice feature that has been added in Windows 10 that allows you actually to keep your applications installed in a different drive. So in case you want to format your Drive C or if you get infected by a virus, all your applications are saved in another drive. So that was just a little tutorial that will help you to actually manage your installed applications. As always, I hope it has been informative for you and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.